Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the artboard and selecting the object. This is crucial. Unlock layers and hide anything that could block selection. Use selection V for groups, direct selection A for points. Once selected, open the transform panel to see W and H values. This shows the current size and allows numeric input. Make sure the constrain proportions link is set the way you need it, on to keep aspect ratio, off to skew one axis. Now you're ready to change size precisely. Next, you perform the precise scaling step that matters. With the transform panel visible, click the reference point to anchor scaling from a corner, side, or center. This determines how the object will reposition. Type a numeric value for W or H, add units like px or in, or enter a percent such as 150% to scale relative. If you need uniform scaling, toggle the constrain proportions link. Alternatively, use Object Transform Scale for percent-based, Now finalize and verify the result. You're almost done. After scaling, expand appearance or use Object Expand if the object has effects or live strokes so the new size is baked in. Inspect stroke weights and effects. If they didn't scale as expected, open Preferences General and toggle Scale Strokes and Effects, then reapply scaling if necessary. If something looks wrong, undo. Change the reference point, or enter exact values again. This one troubleshooting tip fixes most sizing mistakes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.